Hey there, learners. Today we are going to be reading a book called The Bike Ride. And this book is going to be about a little baby named Jackson who goes on a bike ride with his dad and his dog named Boss. Have you ever been on a bike ride? Did you ride the bike and pedal, or did someone else bike while you rode in the back or in the trailer or something like that? Interesting. Let's go ahead and look at the book. All right, this book is called The Bike Ride. That's the title of the book. And we can see Jackson, the little baby, and the dog Boss in the trailer of the bike. Turn the page. Let's look at page 2. The baby's name is Jackson. Can you help me find the word Jackson? Put your finger under the word Jackson. How did you know? Oh, did you use the first letter? Maybe you heard the j in Jackson, like jar. Yes. This word right here is Jackson. It starts with the j sound, and the other sounds are right too. Jackson. Jackson. Awesome work. Turn the page. On this page, Jackson screams for his dog, Boss. He says, Boss. Notice this exclamation mark right here. That means that Jackson kind of screams it. He doesn't just say, Boss. He says, Boss. Try that with me. Boss. And again right here with an exclamation mark. Boss. Awesome. The last thing I want to show you is on page 8. This thing that Jackson and Boss are in is attached to the back of the bike. This is called a trailer. Can you say trailer? And trailers go on all types of things. Sometimes they go on bikes, but sometimes they also go on things like cars. This is a trailer. What sounds do you hear at the beginning of the word trailer? Yes, and it's the same sounds as the beginning of truck. Trailer. Trailer. Can you put your finger under the word trailer? Use those beginning sounds to help you locate it. Here it is, trailer. All right, let's go ahead and read the book. We'll go back to the very beginning. I'm going to read the words, and then I want you to read them after me. You can follow along right on the screen or in a paper copy of the book if you have one. You can choose if you want to use a pointer finger or if you want to point to the words with your eyes. Ready? The bike ride. Your turn. Turn the page. Let's read the title again. The bike ride. Your turn. Come on, Jackson, said Dad. We are going for a bike ride. Your turn. Turn the page. Boss, said Jackson. Boss, your turn. Turn the page. Okay, said Dad. Boss can come too. Your turn. Turn the page. Jackson and Boss are in the trailer. Your turn. Turn the page. Here we go, said Dad. Your turn. Turn the page. Look, said Dad. We can go up the hill. Your turn. Turn the page. Look, said Dad. We can go down the hill. Your turn. Turn the page. Oh no, said Dad. Come back, Boss. Your turn. Turn the page. The end. Wow, awesome job reading that book with me. Today I want to teach you that readers, after they finish reading a book, they stop and they think about what happened first, then, and then next, and then in the end. We remember the important things that happen in the story. So let's think about it. What happened first in this story? You can say first, yeah, Dad was going for a bike ride and was going to bring Jackson. And then Jackson said, Boss, boss. And they brought Boss. Then what happened? You can say then or next. Yeah, then they rode all around, up and down the hill in the trailer. What happens at the end of the story? You can say finally or in the end. Yeah, Jackson was in the trailer, but Boss ran out. Oh no. All right, let's read it again. This time you're going to read it on your own. I'll show you the pages and you can follow right along on the screen. Or if you have a paper copy of your book, you could do that instead. All right, make sure as you're reading today that you think about and remember the important parts of this story. Ready? Read the title. Page. Read the title again. Turn the page. Read the words. 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 The end. Awesome job with that book. Did you think the book was funny? Why or why not? You can say, I think it's funny because, or I didn't think it was funny because. I know I thought it was funny at the end when the dog ran out of the trailer. Do you think you would like to go for a bike ride in a trailer? What do you think? Why? I think I would. I think it'd be fun to ride around and maybe even a little relaxing. Thanks for reading with me today. I'll see you next time.